Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy recipe for today is vigancitybagnet. Compared to other bagnet in Ilocos, vigancitybagnet is tasty because they are putting salt. Because bagnet came from the word bagnetin, to preserve. This is how Ilocanos preserve their pork meat without putting in refrigerator. The usual bagnet of Ilocanos, they preserve by boiling and putting pork grease at the same time in slow cooking. For the homemaker, this method is not safe because there's a tendency to splatter the oil when starting to heat up. This way I learned from Vigan Ilocos. I separate from boiling the meat and then frying in pork grease in slow cooking, and then lastly, deep fry in a very hot oil. Let's start by slicing the pork meat in your desired portion. Then wash thoroughly the pork meat before cooking. Heat a pot with water before putting the pork meat. Then add the meat. Cook until pork tender for about 45 minutes to an hour. After boiling, let it cool down before putting the salt all over the meat. Then tie the meat with a string or kitchen twine. Tie like a butcher's knot or a simple knot. Then fry the tight boiled pork meat with pork grease. I use bacon grease. Add the meat while the pork grease is still cold. Then cook for 2 hours in slow cooking. After an hour, flip the meat on the other side and continue slow frying. After 2 hours of slow frying, check the skin. After 2 hours, 1 hour each side. Just like a jelly. Very soft. Like a jelly. that's it. We're gonna deep fry now. Set aside the bagnet to cool down while heating the oil for deep frying. When the oil is piping hot, then fry the bagnet. I use frying basket to control the bagnet from overcooking, or else it will be bitter in taste and the meat will be dry. After frying, put the bagnet in strainer or cooling rack to let drip the excess oil. Then continue frying the other meat or bagnet. When the bagnet is already cooled down, remove the string and slice. The vigancitybagnet with KBL, kamatis pagoong lasuna with lechon sauce. Let's eat, guys, with this crispy-licious. Yum, yum, yum. Try natin one. Nagimasan! Crispy pa! Crunchy! At juicy! Maski yung taba makakain. Even the fat you can eat. Nagimas! With this KBL. In vegan, you don't need this one. But in Ilocano and some part of Ilocos, you need to put this because they're not putting salt. KBL. kamatis, bagoong, lasuna. The shallots, native shallots. In Ilocos. Good! Ako. One piece lang, mahirap na. Kolesterol. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching, guys! Bye! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Take care and bye!